In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can send money to Cameroon. So for this video, we're going to be using Remitly mobile app. When you sign up with the link in the description, you'll receive $10 and your first transfer will be free. Once you sign up, you can download the mobile app. Once you're in the app, select Get Started. Here, enter the amount of money that you want to send. It shows how much money the recipient will receive. Then select Continue. Here, select your delivery speed. Select your delivery method. You can do bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money. So for now, we're going to select cash pickup. Select the location where you want the recipient to pick up the money. So I'm going to select Wafa Cash. Enter the recipient first and last name. The middle name is optional. Then select Continue. Enter the recipient city and region and then select Continue. If you want the recipient to receive a notification about the money, you can enter their phone number. This is optional, so you can skip it. On this page, you're going to enter your payment information. I already have a card and file, so I'm going to select it. And on this page, you're going to review your transaction and hit send. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.